Hello students, in the last lecture we discussed about international organizations, and in the lecture we discuss about more international organizations which are important for us, and it is your second lecture on international organization. So we start with our important organization. So first, that is World Bank. Second is IMF. Third one, that is SARC. Next is ASEAN, and last is European Union. One by one, we discuss about all these organizations which are important for us. First, we start with World Bank. First of all, we discuss about the headquarter of World Bank. So, Washington is quite famous, and Washington DC is the headquarter of World Bank. And next, we discuss in 1944 World Bank was established, and World Bank was established for the developing countries and to manage the financial crisis around the world. Next thing, the main objective of World Bank, that is to provide long term loan for the developing countries and to reduce the poverty reduce. All these are the main work of World Bank. And next we discuss about IMF. First we discuss the full form of IMF. So IMF's full form is International Monetary Fund. First we discuss about headquarter. So same like World Bank, headquarters situated in Washington DC in 1944, and in this similar year World Bank and IMF were situated. And third thing is the role and the purpose of the IMF. We know that World Bank is able to provide long term loans, and the IMF is able to provide short term loan, and to save any country for their regional imbalances and many things. And now we discuss the IMF's role in developing nations. We know that IMF is most important for those countries which are India's neighbor like Pakistan, and recently IMF provided a loan for the Pakistan. And next we discuss about SHARC organization. SHARC is important for India's perspective. First we discuss the full form of SHARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It is the full form of SHARC. And now we discuss the headquarter of SHARC, Kathmandu in Nepal. And now we discuss the member countries of SHARC. There are 8 members of SHARC, and India, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Bhutan is the member countries of SHARC nation. And now we discuss the objective and the purpose of SHARC. So it is quite simple. The purpose of SHARC nation is to promote regional stability and to work in the field of prosperity and harmony. And next we discuss ASEAN. First of all, we discuss the full form of ASEAN. So full form is Association of South East Asian Nations. Now we discuss the headquarter of ASEAN. So ASEAN's headquarter is in Indonesia, and we know that in 1967 the Asian organization was established, and now we discuss the members of the Asian. So there are five main important members countries of the Asian, that is Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, and others. These are the main countries of Asian. And recently I discussed about the recently summit of Asian organization. So the 46th summit conducted in Malaysia. It is important for our exams point of view. And now we discuss about our today's last international organization, that is European Union. First we discuss about European Union's headquarter. So the headquarter of European Union is situated in Brussels in Belgium, and Union is situated in 1993. And European Union is basically a trade organization, and it is important for us because they are 26 member countries of European Union. So in the lecture we discussed all the important international organizations which is important for us and which is important for India's point of view. So thank you.